Hey my dinos, thanks for joining me for a brand new episode of Shapes with Sharky Shark. That's me, Sharky Shark. Just remember, the worksheet link below lets you print out the worksheet so we could do it together. I want to tell you something about storms. Sometimes there is a calm before a storm. Before a big storm hits, sometimes there is a moment of calm. When a storm grows, it pulls in warm, wet air around it. The air goes into the storm cloud, and when it gets to the top, it rolls out over the big head of the cloud. Then it falls back down. As it falls, it becomes a warmer and drier, which makes for stable, calm weather. There is the calm that can happen right before the storm hits. Now that we're ready, let's write our names. I chose blue. What did you choose? I really like that color. You're doing such a great job. I just wanted to let you know that. Okay, let's read the directions. Color the shape that is similar. Let's read it one more time. Color the shape that is similar. We're going to color the shape that is similar. Today's shape is a hexagon. Is this one? How about this one? Great job! Let's color in the hexagon any color you like. Let's keep going. This one, this one, this one. How about this one? And this one? Great job. Let's color in the shape. My dinos are doing such a great job at spotting the shape. Are you ready to keep going? How about this one? This one? This one? What about this one? This one? How about this one? This one? The next? Not yet? This one? Yes, great job, dinos. Okay, let's keep going. This shape? This shape? How about this one? And this one? What about this shape? This one? This one? This one? Not yet? This one? Yes, you got it. Let's grab our crayons and color in the hexagon dinos. Great job at spotting on the hexagons, dinos. Now let's read the directions below. How many shapes did you color? Let's read again. How many shapes did you color? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. We colored 4 pentagons. Let's grab our crayon and write the number 4. Great job, dinos. Let's not forget to color Mr. Hexagon. Any color you like. Today, I chose a light violet. While you dinos are coloring, I just wanted to let you know, every week, it makes me so proud that you join me for a brand new episode. My dinos are getting so smart at what you guys are doing. I just want to let you know that I am very proud of you. Let's not forget his arms and legs. I'm coloring them green. What color did you color? I really like that color. Whoa, check out all the hexagons you found. I can't wait to see you next week for a brand new episode, my dinos. Bye. Amazing. I can't wait to see how yours turned out. I can't wait for you guys to join me next Friday for a brand new episode.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!